Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and now we learned more details about the famous Chromium based browser that Microsoft will have. Some surprising stuff in here. So one, not so surprising, they're going to maintain Edge, and Edge is going to be the software, the browser that's going to be transitioned to Chromium. Right now, Edge has its own engine called Edge HTML. That will be killed off. And Chromium, which is an open source engine that Google Chrome uses, for example, and many browsers use it, like Opera uses Chromium engine also. It's an open source project, so they can use it and actually customize it like they want. But it gives compatibility, a lot of compatibility with, for example, Google Chrome for a lot of things. But of course, it all depends on how you're going to use it. So this is going to be the new engine for Microsoft Edge. So that means Edge is going to be Edge. And it's going to be based on Chromium, which I don't think will change anything. But there's one very amazing thing about it. Edge is, of course, a Windows 10 only browser. It's been there for 3 years, since the beginning, 3 years and a half. And, well, what's interesting here is that when that transition happens, Edge will not only be a Windows 10 browser, it suddenly will be a browser available for Mac, for Windows 7. This is very surprising, thinking that Windows 7 has only a year left to live, and to Windows 8.1. So I guess by opening it to multiple platforms, maybe they're thinking the popularity of the browser might get better, or it might increase. I don't think it will, but it's an interesting strategy. I don't know what this is going to do and what's going to happen, but we're going in the direction of a new Edge browser. Kind of interesting. There's also, and Microsoft has a page for those that want to join the Insider program for Edge. Yes, there will be an Insider program for Microsoft Edge. You want to know more about it, go to my Windows Insider channel. I'm talking about that. I posted a video just about at the same time as I'm posting this video here. So if you want to join the Windows Insider, the Microsoft Edge Insider program, all the details will be on the Insider channel, because I have subscribed to it. And I will be, of course, with not just Windows builds, but also Microsoft Edge, talking about Edge builds. I mean, the Insider channels for that. So this is kind of interesting. So when will this happen exactly? Sometime in 2019. When will we have the first Edge browser? Well, I guess in the next weeks or so. And insiders will probably be testing this. Interesting. It's a surprising move, and I don't know. Is it a good idea that they keep Edge, like the Edge icon and the Edge name, for their new project, or should they have maybe done some kind of new direction and a new name and a new icon? I don't know. Will they change the icon a little bit, or will they do some modifications? I don't know, but it's going to be very, very interesting to follow the Microsoft Edge browser throughout 2019. We're going to have something new, and we'll see. We'll see where it goes, and we'll see how they're able to do it. But I am still, and right now, very, very surprised at the fact that they're actually pushing it for Windows 7 and 8.1 plus Mac OS. And I guess, they're going to push it to our mobile devices also. That new engine with Chromium engine will come to Android and iOS. So interesting future ahead, and we'll see what happens with Microsoft Edge. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.